Hello students, BA Part 2nd, Semester 3rd, Subject English Literature. In yesterday's video, an essay, third course, how has been completed. Today, we are learning two keywords, long questions and reference to context. So firstly, we shall see keywords from this essay. Destiny means faith or love. So remember this word. Decorative means ornamental. Means there is a particular thing that goes in the ornamental, like the golden ornaments. Innumerable means causing envy. Curiosity shops means shops where antiquity fair and to gives precious things. It is called curiosity shop. Next word is Turner, means William Turner, an English landscape painter. Ponder means to think. Elated means very happy. Incredible means unbelievable. India is incredible country. Bargaining with run-on souls means inner conflict in author's soul. Mitigation means a lesson the 70. Next word is magnet, means business icon. That is the one type of symbol. Amble means enough. Curious man means unexpected profit. Quixotic means a romantic idea of being generous, like Don Quixote, a fictional hero. So Don Quixote is adventure man and he is a fictional hero in a novel Don Quixote. So remember these words. Now we are going to learn questions. Means these questions shall be asked in the exam. So remember this question, exam point of view. So first question is, answer the following question in 200 words each. So you have to write answer of this question in 200 words. So question is, narrate the incident which happened with the friends of E.V. Lucas and discuss how he became the winner in the bargaining with himself. So here is, we have to write the answer of how writer's friend to buy that particular painting and he gets more profit, and after that how he think about that profit. So you have to write whole detail about activity of writer's friend. Next question is, attempt the critical appreciation of the essay, The Third Thoughts by E.V. Lucas. So you have to hear critique on this essay. Means what is significance of this essay you have to write. Means you have to write there is a business and in this era how business is going on. After that, what is purpose of business, what is objective of business. So you have to write. There are the purpose of business, loss and benefit, but there is no love sympathy. So you have to write answer of that question like it. Next question is, give the significance of the title of the essay, third thoughts. Now we are going to discussing about reference to context. This question is also important. This question is asked into university exam for 5 marks. So remember this question, and through this question you can cover your marks. So this is a important question referred to context. In this question, some lines are asked from essay, and after that you have to write reference and context. So question number 1 is, it is a my destiny, said he, to buy in the dearest markets and to sell if I succeed in selling yet all in the cheapest. So here writer tells about selling activities. Means there is a particular customer decide to buy thing in minimum price, and there is a purpose of dealer to sell his thing in maximum price. So this is a loss and benefit. So like that, this question you can write the thing about or learn about how to write this question. Reference, the essay third thought is written by famous essayist E.V. Lucas. So write down this question, or you can write like yes. These lines are taken from third thoughts, which is written by E.V. Lucas. And after that, in reference, you write context about that line. So like that, he talks about effects of the innate greed in man that dominates over one's desire to be good or generous. It is the study of the human psyche that succumbs to one weakness. So that is one type of the context. And after that, you can write explanation. Explanation means you write whole explanation of these lines. So you also remember the meaning of these lines. Next context to reference is, it will only give him one wrong idea of his custom, none other of whom would be fair, so sporting as I. The here is writer mention about custom. So you have to explain this line like that also. Next reference to context is, and that afternoon I play bridge so distressingly that I have not posted it. So this refer to context like that also. To mention reference firstly, after that write explanation. Last refer to context is, the dealer asks as much as he thinks he can extort, and the customers having pays it under no obligation whatever to the dealer. So there is no obligation to dealers. Dealers doesn't want to get the benefit of selling thing. Only there is writer's fate decide to give the money to earn profit particular that thing. So these are questions. And university exam referring to context are asked like that. This athlete was a gamecock upon whose head the knight in his youth had owned 500 pounds and lost to thousands. You also remember this. There is means he earned, but after that also he lost his money in gambling. After that, the next refer to context is asked in the exam. That is like buying and selling are the perfectly straightforward matter between dealer and customer. So there is a particular thing is buying and selling. It is a depend on dealer and customer. So in this way, this an essay has been completed. In next video, we shall learn another essay. Thank you.